Hello guys, in this new lesson we try to see how long to stay in a trade. For us as swing traders, okay, I'll just give you the plan. At the end of the day, like 3 or 3:30, okay, you search, suppose that you do the same as I do. You go to stock screener, you search the stocks, put them in the chart, and then you select the best chart, the best stock, and then you buy them. Then you try to calculate the stop loss, and then you put stop loss. This is what I do, and then you close your account and the market is closed at 4 o'clock. This is what you should do as I do. Now let's say the stock go down a little bit, but it didn't reach your stop loss, and it stays 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. What you should do, you have two options. If you don't like to stay a lot in a trade without making money, and you need that money into another stock, so you just exit and find another stock. If you like a long trades and the stock is not has not reached your stop loss, okay, and you stay 1 week or 2 or 3, stay until you see the stock. One day it will tell you. If it goes up again and you see that it's going up, so you are right, you wait 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or whatever, and the stock is going up, so it's good. Now if one day it reaches your stop loss, understand that this is the dead end. Okay, a dead end, it means since you exit the trade, it is okay, because you put your risk and that's it. Now if you are just mistaken in the stop loss, it means you put it too near and then you see the stock is going up, you can buy it again. Because understand that we are doing just a game of money. It's not, don't take too much thinking, because when you think a lot, you will be confused. Do it like a game. You put stop loss, it goes down, it hits your stop loss, but after a few days it goes up again to where you bought it again, so you can buy it again. What's the problem? There is no problem at all. Maybe at that time the stock was not prepared to have the trend, so you should wait 1 week or 2 or 3, and then if you have another move, believe me, sometimes you don't you are mistaken the first time, the second time, maybe the third time you see the big move, and if you don't enter at that time, you will lose a lot. Now so where do you exit if the stock is going up? Okay, now there are some techniques that I always use to identify the stock when it's still going up. It means I'm making more money, but there are some times where the stock gives you signals that this stock is not going anymore, and these signals I put them in training level 7, how to follow an uptrend, because these things you should study them, you should practice them. You can do paper trading, for example, and you should practice. Okay, these things doesn't come with theory. You have theory, yes, but you should practice in order to have hands-on training, as they say. Because stocks, when they go up, they will have never the same chart, except when mutual fund buys the two companies at the same time. So your ideal thing is to use these techniques, okay? And when you use these techniques, you will be able to know where to exit on time, and then you put another stop loss. And then if you have, let's say you stay 1 month or 2, and then you see a big profit. So you should take some of this profit or all those profit, and you put stop loss again in the future after 2 months. It means you just change the stop loss, and this, at least when you exit with a huge profit. You don't leave a huge profit, okay, on the table, and then the stock will be going down, and you don't know where to exit. This is a real problem. You should focus, you should study these skills. These skills are very easy to study, very easy to do. So don't complicate things. Just study the training and apply the rules. And then if for example in the future you have a problem and you don't know how to do with the stock, so you just send me an email. I will try to explain the rules again. At least you will have an idea what to do. Because why I am here, I'm not here to do a subscription to get the people all, and I will be controlling people and what they do in their life or in their trading. No, it's not my my goal is just to make independent traders. It means whenever you get a training from me and you understand everything, you begin trade for yourself, and you be independent from me because you get all knowledge I have, and then you can after a few months or 1 year or two, you begin to make money because of my training, because of your vision, because you understood the things I understand. Okay, so it's a matter of time. So don't rush like you rush like you have 1,000, 2,000 and you become a millionaire in 1 year or two. This is not gonna happen. So try to be logical in terms of investment, in terms of trading. Try to be always logical, and don't get confused with what they say online. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and comment here or send me a private message if you have a question. Thank you very much.